Go, do it.
Do it. Hi, Vicky.
Give me belly rubs.
Vicky. She's like, what?
Come on, give me belly rubs. David, what are you doing? I know, look at her.
That's so funny.
Wait.
I think she's done.
I think she's just laying like that.
I think she's asleep.
Oh my